hi everybody.
Hi.
Yes, we're wearing the same glasses. Yes, we're coming to you a little early. Yes, it's Ed's birthday. And in honor of that, see, Mary Jo jumped on. We were like, yeah, we got to start a little early because we have a show tonight on QVC and we have to do some sound testing and all of that good stuff. So
We got a busy
we
night.
are juggling a lot of things. Okay, I'm going to take these glasses off and let's get serious, okay? It is time for a Tara's must-have.
Woo!
Yes!
Birthday edition.
The birthday edition. If in case you didn't know, at least squeeze you over a little bit so you're in both. We have been quarantined. That's why we're standing together so
Sure.
close.
Yep.
Since March 21st. And we are super excited to be sharing with you a cocktail edition of a Tara's Must Have in honor of Mr. Tescher's birthday. We are excited. Hey, Gil. Hi, Amy. Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining. We thought it would be really fun to do a cocktail set in honor of the birthday boy.
I love
So 4 of our 16-ounce stoneware carafe cups. Love these. A bunch of different colors, so you can head on over to temp-tations.com and check out what colors we have available. But we didn't just include 4 of our hand-painted, individually hand-painted stoneware cups. We also included, have you seen our juicer? So perfect for this time of year, whether you're doing lemons, limes, oranges. And I designed it in a way that it has a thumbprint here or a little helper handle, a pour spout built in. So you literally juice, pour, juice, pour. I mean,
It's like you're working out while you're eating, drinking healthy.
see my bicep? See my bicep? And then, of course, we included our amazing peeler, which is going to be great when you want to go ahead and peel some of maybe the skins. You want to get a little zest. Are you kidding me? 4 individually hand-painted carafe cups that are stoneware, so they go in the microwave if you want to reheat. They go in the dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer. You could even bake in here if you wanted to and put them in the oven. We included, of course, the juicer, and we included our amazing peeler for under $30, free shipping and handling. As a matter of fact, our entire website is on free shipping and handling. So if you haven't been over to temp-tations.com today, you need to go check it out because it is very exciting. We did it in honor of the celebration of Ed's birthday.
Yeah.
Everybody is saying happy birthday. We are going to bring in the man of honor very soon, so don't you worry. Hey, Barbara's from Tennessee. I love that. Best of birthdays to Ed. Oh, he loves that. He has said he has felt the love today on the post that we put up on Temp-Tations, and so many people have been reaching out, and he even got to chat with his dad today via FaceTime, so that was very, very sweet. Yeah, so it's been lots of love for T-Bone, as I sometimes like to refer to him. Okay, so what are we doing, Lise? Let's talk about it.
I'm sorry, my name is mixologist Lisa.
Right, don't try to take over for MC and MA.
I don't.
By the way, if you didn't see their video, we gave them a set ahead of time so that they could do a signature cocktail for Ed. So that was really, really sweet, and it's awesome. Awesome. So go check that out on his Facebook page and his Instagram. All right, so you getting ready to juice?
I am, because what's so great about the summertime
Which do you wanna do
is
first?
I'm going to do the lime first, right?
Oh, okay, so then that's going to be the vodka and soda.
Vodka and soda. It's fun to make, look, cocktails,
Yes.
mocktails, fresh
Yes.
juices, whatever.
Yes.
You know what my mom does?
What?
When she makes iced tea,
Yeah.
she takes a fresh lemon and just, instead of adding any sweetener to it,
Yeah.
she adds fresh lemon juice.
See?
It's actually really
She's
great.
brilliant.
All right, so here's what I love about this
Yes.
juicer, and this is what Mark and MA love about MC and MA, is that any size fruit, right?
That's right.
So literally, I
Look
can
at that.
just
I love that.
squeeze, and get everything out
Yes.
of here. All the pulp.
Yep.
You know that place that we love to go that has those like orange crushes and grapefruit crushes?
Yeah, it's
and-
called the Cantina. We're allowed to say that. Get it? We're allowed to say that.
Here's what I love about it. Like, seriously.
Yeah,
you
look
see
at
all
that.
the juice in there?
Well, here's what I love. Ready? Let me get
pour
this
it.
so that both of you guys can see it. Hold, please,
Hold,
Lise.
please.
Dun it. All right, do it.
fresh lime juice, whether it's
Lime juice.
What did I say? Goose?
Well, you know, Grey
Li-
Goose.
Grey Goose, lime juice, margarita.
Yes, we
Some
have
margarita.
we have the big bottle of Grey Goose that we did. We're doing the crushes in. All right, so that was it this one?
Yeah, that was that one.
So this is vodka and tonic with a lime.
No.
All right, what are we doing next?
We're gonna
Lemon.
peel.
Peel.
Because I have to
Okay.
tell you, this peeler, it's nothing to get excited about until you get this peeler.
What do you mean?
And then you get very excited
It's very
about
exciting.
peeling.
You can check this out at temp-tations.com. Everything on the site is free shipping and handling in honor of Ed's birthday. Did you see how quick she is?
Like, I'm not joking.
Well, it's uber sharp,
It's
which we love.
so sharp, you guys. So literally, like,
Yep.
you can make those little twists.
Yes.
Like for your cocktails.
Look at you.
But imagine if you're
want me
using,
to-
like, yeah, please. Like, if this is a cucumber, a radish, whatever.
I'm growing radishes in case you didn't know.
I can't believe that.
Love that.
So wait, MC taught me something. Like, you can twist it like this,
Uh-huh.
and then you put it in your drink.
I love that.
I don't know how
Well,
you get
I
it to
have
stay,
a little
but-
pink lemonade over here.
Oh, can we do that?
So I'm going to float mine in there. You can make yours. Oh, she just dumped hers. Everybody in the pool. Everybody's in the pool.
Everybody.
All right. So we showed you a gin and tonic. We showed you a little lemonade.
How about a lemon
Let's do a. Let's
do an
finish-
orange?
Yeah. Let's do the crush. Oh. So we have vodka and triple sec in here, and here's what I love. I love that Lisa. She's like Vanna today. I'm gonna step over here so you guys can see. This one, they're gonna be juicy, Lisa.
Here's what I love. From this size of a lime
Yep.
to this size, this juicer is
It's
perfect,
amazing.
Okay? So
yeah, keep it down
is
on the
okay
counter.
if I
Yeah,
keep it
you
down?
do that. We'll show you in a second.
You guys.
Exactly. Hey, Donna. Hi, Megan. Good to see you guys. All right. This. Hello.
I actually have to stop
Yeah.
because
Exactly.
there's so much juice.
There's so much juice.
Like,
Yeah.
what?
Hello.
Hello.
And here's going to be the best part. How it's going to look when she pours it right in there.
Watch
Everybody
this.
can see. Look at that. So when you talk about making an orange crush and you want to add, it's bubbling.
What?
It's bubbling.
Okay.
All right. So you are definitely going to want to head over to temp-tations.com. Do you want to go get the man of the hour?
I do. I'll be right back.
What did she just do? I mean,
Want me to take that with me?
Yes, don't come over here yet, Mr. Tesher. Actually, Edward, come on over here. I lied. I'm moving everything out of the way. He doesn't know what's going on. This rooster picture, that's all I have to say, is coming up. Stay tuned. And here he is.
Hi, everybody.
Yay!
And a hearty hello. I want to thank all of you for all of the birthday love. I'm blown away, honestly. It's been very touching. Very, very touching. Thank you very, very much, truly. You make an old man feel happy. But thank you.
No
Thank
way,
you.
no way.
And as a little sidebar, I'm going to tell a real quick story. The shirt I'm wearing
Yeah?
actually is my dad's shirt. And I'm wearing it as a little homage to my mom and dad. Today would have been their 64th wedding anniversary, which I apparently ruined 2 years later. It's a joke. But just a little love for my dad. And thank you all for all the
prayers.
caring and the prayers. And he's fighting and doing the best he can to hold on. But thank you, one and all, for sharing my birthday with me.
Do you want to try our crush? I mean, just take a little sip.
don't normally
Vodka,
drink,
triple
but-
sec, little orange in honor of your birthday. I mean, we had to. Isn't that delicious? And by the way, we did free shipping and handling on our website in honor of you today.
Oh, thank you,
And you guys have
everybody.
been loving that. So
Thank
rare
you.
that we do that. And when you shop with us in the month of June, where we've called it Back to the Backyard, we are going to send you one of our No Bake Grammy cheesecakes. So there's 3 different flavors. They're awesome. You literally just mix in a cream cheese packet, softened, and a little whipped topping, and you have basically a guilt-free cheesecake.
What is guilt-free?
So boring. Well, Ed
on.
said today it's his birthday, so calories don't count for
Calories-
him and for me. We got to be careful with the table. Sorry if we're making you guys a little seasick.
And I'm saying calories don't count for anybody
Yes.
tonight. I'm calling it.
So, just a quick reminder. Can I scoot over and just grab?
Absolutely.
I just want to reach across to you. I didn't mean to be rude. Just a quick reminder. You're going to receive our juicer. I am obsessed with this item. The pour spout built right in. The helper handle here. And not 1, not 2. Could you grab those other for me, babe?
I think I can.
Thank you, honey.
That's why
See,
I'm
he
here.
says he could never go on air. He absolutely could. 4 of our 16-ounce carafe cups, our awesome hand-painted juicer, and we've also included the peeler. So it is the perfect 6-piece cocktail set for all of your outdoor entertaining that you're doing with your family, which is great, as it is Back to the Backyard. $29.95, free shipping and handling, free, and everything on our site is. If you haven't seen our quick take, it's my Georgie mug. I meant to grab one and then I forgot. My Georgie mug, and it's since it's Best Friends Day, it's buy one for under $10, get the second one for free, and free shipping and handling. Now, is that a deal? 2 mugs for $10?
Pretty crazy.
Right? I mean, we celebrate this man in style.
I need to apparently have more birthdays
Yes.
in the course of the year.
Do you really want to do that?
I read a quote that said, birthdays are God's way of saying you can eat more cake.
I love that.
So
I love that.
there you go.
And guess what we have going on over here?
Uh-oh.
Do you see?
Well,
I'm going to step out of the way so that Lisa can really quick put this down. Joe has joined us. Come sneak over behind us, Joe. Come say hi. We wanted to wish you a very happy birthday, my love.
hi, thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
and Joe's here. Joe, pop in, say hi.
Hi, guys.
Yay.
Happy birthday,
Joe is
Ed.
there.
Thank you.
Can't shake hands, but
Thank
we'll do
you.
that.
Yeah,
Thank
do a
you
little
very
elbow,
much.
a little bump, bump.
I tried.
Can I
We
sneak
tried.
in here?
Oh, look at that.
Can I sneak in?
We're-
Oh. Hey, ready? Make a wish. Make a
What?
wish. Two
I
came
got-
back.
Okay.
What are you doing? Trying not to spit on them?
Are they trick candles?
They apparently
That
were.
would be so great. No, but that would be awesome. So we are
Thank
going to
you
go
for
eat some
sharing that
cupcakes.
with us.
Thanks for allowing us to jump on a little bit early. We have a bunch of stuff we have to do. So head on over to temp-tations.com. The entire site is on free shipping and handling. And then if you're staying up late, check us out at 2 a.m. on QVC. We have a full 1 hour show of Temptations where we have a ton of new stuff and some fun offers. So definitely come spend some time with Lisa and I at 2 a.m. Actually, come spend some time with Lisa and me. Okay, and I'm going to work on my grammar. All right, everybody. Good to see you.
Thank you so much
Thank
for all
you
the
guys
birthday
for
love.
joining us for this awesome birthday edition of our Tara's Must Have 4 carafe cups, our juicer, and our peeler. Under $30 free shipping.
And our cupcakes.
Oh,
No, I'm
you may
only
not get
kidding.
those, but you are, as I mentioned, going to get for the month of June one of our no bake Grammy cheesecakes. All right, everybody, we have a busy night ahead of us. Enjoy, and we will see you all real soon. Bye.
Thanks, everybody.